Does car cabin air filter can protect us from COVID-19? The answer is no. Because a quality cabin air filter is capable of filtering particles ranging in size 5 to 100 microns, including smoke, tire dust, bacteria, and pollen. On the other hand, COVID-19 particle size 0.06 to 0.14 microns in diameter. So you must wear mask during driving your vehicle. Let me clear you more. Human average hair size is 100 microns. Anything less than 40 microns our eyes cannot see. Human red blood cell is about 5 microns. Cabin air filter can protect you from the particle size 5 to 100 micron in diameter, such as dust and bacteria. COVID-19 particle size 0.06 to 0.14 microns. Last but not least, N95 mask can protect you from the virus and other particles in the air up to 0.3 micron. So any virus less than 0.3 microns, even the N95 mask cannot save you. If you like this video, please subscribe, comments and share.